let's do a look using the Colourpop Twilight palette. I bought the whole collection. I got it with my own money, so it's not sponsored. But this is how the palette looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen it, and you guys all are not. Some of you guys are not that happy, but it looks like this. I'm going to try to do a look with it that is not the similar as everybody else. I want to do something different. My goal is also not to use the blues. I'm going to do like more of a green look. Let's see if I can do it. With the shade Say It Out Loud. Lower my lid. Go in with that shade, and I'm also going to blend it in the inner corner where my nose is and the brow bone starts. This shade right here, it is called 17 with the same brush, and I'm going to just blend that also in the lid and the crease. Start bringing that a little bit to the lower lash line. The palette does have a bit fallout, so I do recommend patting in first to kind of press in the product. But other than that, like, the colors are blending beautifully. I'm gonna go in with this shade, this one right here. This is called Bella. It is a brown. I was gonna go in with a deeper green, but I didn't want it to be too green, so I'm gonna just kind of change it up a bit with that brown. I would say tap that off, and I'm gonna add that to the outer corner just to slowly deepen that outer corner. I'm creating like a wing-like shadow just to blend that green and the brown together. Adding a little bit more depth to the corner, getting that brown, and with a little tiny brush like this, I am blending, well, not really blending, but creating like a weird little shape here so you can see, like, you know. Now, picking from the shimmer is going to be really hard, so I am going to go in with Ice Cold, which is this little beautiful shimmer right over here. I'm going to go in with that shade, and I'm going to slowly just kind of like add that to the lid. I actually like blending this to the brow bone. Do you guys see that? That looks so pretty. I'm adding Impossibly Fast, which is that dark green, just so you could see that green, because I feel like the brown did mute it a little bit. And we're going to just kind of like slowly pat that to the outer corner like that, and then kind of winging it out. When I see Twilight, I saw Twilight yesterday, but when I see the movie Twilight, I see a lot of green. Like, Forks looks so pretty and so green, so I feel like I wanted to focus on that. I am going to add a little bit of that green and add it right here in the outer corner just so you could get like the pop of green. Looks so good. The red eyeliner, this one is like a shimmery red. It's so nice. The component looks like this, like that. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't want to focus, but it's like that. And then it's just so nice. It's like a deep red. I'm gonna just slowly add it right on the inner corner. Right to the inner corner, as you can see, I wish you're able to see a little bit more of that metallic feel. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I think. I don't know if I like it, to be honest. Maybe it's not my vibe. So I'm going to try to fix that a little bit with shimmer. Word right here, it's a little bit more of a colorful shimmer right here. I'm going to add that to the inner corner just to kind of make it pop a little bit more. I just add it on top of that eyeliner because I want that eyeliner to be like shimmery. Do you get me? And I'm not getting that. A bit more shimmery, right? I don't know. Added a little bit of that shimmer in the inner corner where the eyeliner is. I don't know if I like it, but we're going to keep going. I also added a little bit of that Edward shade right in the inner corner just to make it stand out a little bit more. We're going to play with the Super Shock shadows. This one's supposed to be like Edward's skin or whatever. And it looks like that. It looks so good. So we're going to just kind of use that. Do you guys see that? And I kind of do want to add this on my lid just because I feel like it's going to make it stand out even more. I do want like a shimmery lid. So we're going to just add it to the brow bone. Super shimmery look. And it's giving. It is giving. It's giving. I am actually going to go in with the other one that is called Meadow. And this one has like a pink purple reflex. You don't know if you guys can see that there. My light is so bright, so you might not see it. It's right there. Do you guys see that? So we're going to just go in with that with my finger. And I'm actually going to tap this on my cheek. Just to give it as a highlighter. I'm going to just tap it on. So good. Like, I can't stop adding more. Oh, it looks so good. I'm going to go in with the lip oils. I don't know which one I want to use. I might use a black one just to see how it goes. But let's see. I'm going to use this one. This one's Jacob. or Team Jacob specifically. Apply it. Gave it a little bit more of a cool tone lip, which I kind of like. Don't hate it. So cute. This is the final look using the Twilight collection. I like it. I don't hate it, but I do, now that I have it on my hands right now, like in my hands, I feel like a lot of these colors do blend kind of like together. So at the end of the day, you kind of get the same look. Does that make sense? Like you could add all these blues, browns, and oranges, and like you kind of get the same thing. But I am going to continue playing with it and see what I feel. I'm going to go in with the blues because I didn't go with the blues as much today. So I'm going to go in with that because I did see on their Colourpop Instagrams that like they create like this really nice purple violet. I don't know what it is, but I'm like, where are those shades on the palette? But I don't hate it. I actually got it because I wanted to have this in my makeup collection because I mean it is a Twilight collection, so I needed it in my life. I'm going to see myself using a lot of the Super Shock shadows. I'm going to use Meadow a lot more because I just love the way this is looking. It is giving. And for sure, I'm going to be using the red one a lot because it's like really muted. You can't even tell. And maybe the brown one. I don't know. I'm going to be using the blue one as much. But, I mean, it is really pretty. So that is it. What do you guys think of the collection? I honestly wish they do come out with a new moon palette because those colors in that movie, it is like brown, orange, yellow, like all those warm tones that we all love. So this is the look. What do you guys think?